Linkages with Mwalimu and the freedom fighters of Southern Africa came in handy when it came to sorting out internal problems in Uganda by holding to account those who endangered our future by pushing the sectarianism of tribe, religion, and gender chauvinism. Fourthly, I strongly believed in having a family now that I was an adolescent, whatever situation I was in, whether in peace or war. The idea of Treche being childless was most disturbing. I'm therefore most grateful to God and to Maama Janet for enabling me to have children that have now given me grandchildren in the midst of turbulences. Initially, they are a wonderful and productive group of Ugandans. Fifthly, from the beginning, I had contempt for educated people that only cared for the prosperity of their families. I believed in the mass line, prosperity for all, Bonabagagawale, Bonabagemebwe, immunization for all, Bonabasome, education for all. The most of the 80 years of my life we are talking about, we have been in the trenches of resistance, with the resistance fighters. So I've spent more time with the resistance fighters than with any other group. The resistance fighters, past and present, you have done Uganda and Africa proud. Therefore, fellow Ugandans, especially the NRM members, everything is now in place to implement the 4 principles of the NRM of patriotism, Pan-Africanism, socio-economic transformation, and democracy. The only principle that is not fully in our hands is Pan-Africanism, where we need to agree with our brothers and sisters in the East African community about the political federation and with the rest of Africa on the continental free trade area. However, that does not stop you from discussing it among the Ugandans and reaching out to the East Africans to discuss the issue instead of speaking on the behalf of foreign parasites all the time.
We are the instruments. If we had not started the war, we would have been declared traitors.
And I think they are doing more, they are doing it there, suffering that they are seeing. They are testimony to the fact that this is their own work. This really, we are the instruments. If we had not started the war, we would have been declared traitors.